Good job. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. Number 3. Alright, next number 4. Can you do the blue dinosaur? Get the blue dinosaur.
Blue.
Blue, yeah. Put number 4.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, blue dinosaur. Put him in his place.
Tail.
Yeah, lift him up. There you go.
Kitty. Cat. Cat.
Is he stuck? You can get him. Okay, put him in his place in the puzzle.
Kitty.
Oh, he's got a sticker on him. Dad will get the sticker off. There you go.
Go, go, yeah.
Okay, can you put him in his place now? Where does he go?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's his spot. Can you get him in there?
What?
Yeah.
I know.
You can do it. Keep trying. Keep trying. You're close. You're close. There you go. Good job. Okay. Who's next? Who's next? We have 4 that are out right now. Oh, are they going to all come out?
2,
2, 3. Good. 3.
No.
Are we lining them all up?
Oh.
Are you trying to get them to line up and touch? There you go. Good job. Nice job.
Go, go.
Very good.
2, 2.
Are you putting their noses together?
Go, Laura. Go, go, square.
Go, dinosaurs.
Oh.
Ooh, are they all hiding now? Are they all hiding under Daddy? Say good night, dinosaurs. Good night.
Oh, red. Red. Red.
Is the red one hiding? There he is. Is he hiding?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. He's hiding.
Boo.
Boo. Boo. Boo.